Finally! Rain! Las Vegas! Woo! Look at that, guys! Woo! Can't even see the strip there. See the hills way back there. Check it out! Yes! Look at that! Nuts! Clear over there. Woo! Look at those rain gutters pouring out. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to be able to barbecue or not. Woo! More. Let it rain. God, we need the water. Fill up the lake. Not in an hour, though. Come on. Really? Oh, my dog's right here. Hi, guys. Ezekiel, what you doing? Look at rain. Come on, let's go outside. Go outside. Come on, guys. Here we are, Monday afternoon. Going on 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I just watered everything down. Guess I didn't need to. Jeez. Hi. Okay, thanks. Yeah, I know. Now there's big drops, man, and the rain gutters just pouring down. I knew it was coming. I could hear it. It was sitting out here. I'm like, please come. I got some good lightning strikes. I'm gonna go hold on to the metal fence. Alright, guys. Coming in my room now. Alright. Gotta close the door, guys. Wow. Crazy, huh? As I pull this up. That way we can see. We can see what's happening. Make sure a tree doesn't fall in the house. There we go. Oh, Ezekiel. The dog door. Alright guys, bye. Love you. Stay safe.